please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In chapter 31, verse 18, Allah, the Exalted, warns Muslims not to act arrogantly. This is like when someone thinks they are better than others because they have something like money or a nice car. The arrogant person also rejects the truth when someone tells them it because they believe they themselves knows better. A Muslim should never be arrogant of anything they have, as everything they have, such as a nice car, was created and given to them by Allah, the Exalted. So the real owner is Allah, the Exalted. To be arrogant over something which belongs to Allah, the Exalted, is silly and will only make Allah, the Exalted, angry. If someone acts arrogantly, then Allah, the Exalted, might take away what they have and give it to someone else. A Muslim should always remember this, and instead of being arrogant they should thank Allah, the Exalted, for giving the thing to them. The best way to do this is by using the thing correctly, according to the commands of Allah, the Exalted.